Imagine starting your workday to find your inbox flooded with manual invoices that need processing by the end of the day. Now, picture removing that stress completely with just a few clicks. That's today's magic trick, and it's all about automating data retrieval and processing using Azure Logic apps. Welcome to TechLab, where we simplify tech for India. Whether you're seasoned professionals or green IT buffs fresh out of college, this video will show you not just how to automate processes, but why it matters so much. First off, Logic apps are ideal for automating data retrieval as they are an easy-to-use interface for orchestrating custom workflows using predefined connectors. Let's say Business A wants to automatically fetch the monthly sales report from Business B's cloud storage. This can be done hassle-free as Business A designs a custom workflow utilizing the Azure Logic App connector for accessing cloud storage. Secondly, Azure Logic Apps enables seamless data processing right from the source. Imagine a business that needs to analyze its monthly data from various sources. They can leverage Logic apps to automate the process of collection, cleaning, and consolidation of data from its diverse sources using predefined connectors. But it's not just about automation. Advanced troubleshooting becomes less daunting with Azure Logic apps because of extensive monitoring and analytics tools. Let's take the case of a business that encounters intermittent data retrieval failures. Instead of panicking, they can set up Azure Logic apps to send an alert when specific triggers like error messages and timers occur. Remember, the key to seamless automation lies in implementing robust architectural design and best practices. It's essential to consider scalability, security, and manageability when configuring your workflows on Azure Logic apps. Now, to get more from content like this and more, take a look at our website neeraj.qzz.io and be a part of our tech community at TechLab.